You also have to know what factors affect how much you produce at each electrode. The first one is current, and the unit for that is amperage, and the symbol for that is I. So the more amperage you have, the more discharge you have at each electrode. The second factor is the time or duration of electrolysis, usually in seconds. Now the calculation has been removed from the syllabus. Just remember, the more current, the more time, the more discharge. The last, which is the most important, is the charge of the cation. And the smaller the valency or the oxidation number, the less number of electrons you need to discharge. For example, if we compare silver to chromium 3+, you require less voltage to produce more of silver. Let's just have an example going and say, for the same fixed amount of amperage and time, I produce 15 moles of silver, Ag. How many moles of chromium can I produce with the same current and same time? This is proportional to, there is 15 electrons for 15 moles of silver, so that means there is 5 moles, only 5 moles of chromium being produced. So that's the final distinction. The less the charge, the more of that element you produce. But remember, these are moles. Sometimes IB will give you grams and you need to convert it to moles and make that comparison.